wanna know just where I'm at? Well, let me tell you about it. I put my city on the map, but let me tell you about it. They try to say I can't come back, hey, let me tell you about it. Man, fuck them niggas, I come back, hey, let me tell you about it. I wanna tell you about it. Heads up, everybody run. Cold outside and he say he got a gun. Niggas like, man, that's what everybody said. Go and pop the trunk and everybody dead. Everybody scared of the nigga aware that the nigga is better. All my bitches pick of the litter, never bitter. Niggas is fake the anime. Me, I never hate eat cake like anime. Whoa, eat the cake, bitch, eat the damn cake. Fuck good, nigga, we the man great. On the domino, then she take off all the clothes, nigga. You know how I go, make the piece of man wait. My name. I don't claim hoods, but my tracks do bang it, 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 bang it,
yeah, nigga.
Bang it, bang it, bang it, bang it.
I know you niggas like to KP, I'm fly no frisbee. Yes, KP, I bang no Nipsey. I'm summer dog and her cat so frisky. If she give it to me, I'ma smack that kitty. My tracks bang, don't need a damn hammer. Bang so hard, might need a bandana. Clicks stay flashy, no camera. So we keep a couple hoes like Santa. Aw shit, I know you niggas feel this. Mommy said she really wanna go like field trips. Took her to the crib, yeah, I had to kill it. Then I said the bitch had to skate like hill flip.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I to rhyme and do like me? It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat. Can't touch this.